Hey Calvin, here is what I'm looking for on this first artboard for the exam. You're going to need to save a new file. That's the first thing, and that's the file I want you to work in. So you'll do a file, a save as, and you're going to name it Connor. I think that's your last name, Calvin Connor, yeah. Midterm 15. And then you're going to keep working in that document. So then I say I need you to modify this artboard to a new dimension. That means you need to use your artboard tool right here. Select the artboard you want to work with, and all the information about that artboard is at the top here. So if I say 4 by 6 inches, you need to change that in the width and the height up here. Right now these are points, so all you have to do is just type in IN for inches, and that'll affect the size. 4 inch by 6 inch. See how it changed that, right? Now I want you to duplicate that artboard, so that means you need to make a new one. And you do that up here as well on the same top of the artboard control panel. New, you just click somewhere over here. You need to orient that as a landscape, and there's a button for that. Changes it to a landscape artboard. Now just organize them so they're not overlapping each other. And there you go. And then turning on the center mark and crosshairs and all that is also done here in the artboard tool on the control bar. You have all these settings up here for center mark, crosshairs, and video safe areas. And then the artboard rulers is found under view. And you're going to turn that on. And then for accessing the student layers, you're going to find that in the layers panel. And here they are. They're all just kind of a mess. And what I want you to do is to organize them per number of the exam. So this, for example, this next one is artboard number 2. We're going to need to take the elements from artboard number 2, like this one right here, and define them as number 2. So I will double click on that and just call it number 2. Inside, if I wanted to get really organized, you can see I've done a few things here. You could get even more organized, but you don't have to. But that's what I'm looking for all these other ones. So artboard 3 consists of the Rorschach elements. There's all of those, and you should put them in their own folder, basically. Whoops. So a new layer, no, it's the bird, Rorschach, and we're going to move those into that new layer so that I can call that 3. Just pull that back into the student deal, and there's all of the pieces for number 3. Oh, I'm missing one, aren't I? There we go. Cool. There you have it. So number 3, number 2, you're going to do it all the way through all of those artboards, and that's the organization. All right, thanks.